Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. Well, been tidying up all the beds, and we're in that season now where we're going to get frost by Thursday. So it's time to take out the last of the peppers, or at least the ones that I want to save the seed from. And I wanted to show you guys the progress of the peppers. Look at the size of this pepper. Isn't that awesome? So for those of you that were, and I'm taking this off actually because we can't leave it any longer, but for those of you who were interested in getting my big red peppers, now you can see the size of them, and they're just amazing. Nice big fat peppers, and you can take those and you can stuff them or cut them for a salad. I mean, they're huge. These are some of the biggest peppers that I've actually probably grown by selecting some of the seeds from last year that were the biggest, and now these are the biggest. So we will be letting these ripen. This is pretty much good to go right now, but it only needed probably a couple more weeks before it would get red. But we'll make sure to save the seed from it. So for those of you who are interested in having the red pimento seeds, those will be put up on the store. So we have this guy. I'm down here for a minute. You can see how they were just beginning to ripen. These guys won't get as big, but there is the weather. The weather's starting to kick in, and the skin's actually getting a little bit soft. So we got to get these off the vines now. But you can see just the big, amazing, beautiful peppers that you can get from these pimento seeds. Check it out. Let's take this one off. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? These were definitely worth all the trouble and the wait. And remember, the ones in the front here were the ones that were eaten off by the deer before I actually caged everything in. And it turned out wonderful in terms of getting this size of peppers. This one's a little bit smaller, but look at that. So I just wanted to take you through a really quick video to show you the type of peppers that we've got. These are the pimentos. These are going to go a nice deep dark red. It's already starting to change color, but I have to take them off now because we're getting pretty much down to the single digit temperatures, and I don't want to miss out on some of the most beautiful peppers I've ever grown. See you soon.